we head to Rausch Creek, Pennsylvania for Pack the Park Girls Play Off-Road. It's the typical crew, me and Steve, and then you can see there Kurt Hess is in the background. We also had Old Man Buggy John in his bent fab buggy come out. I had a circuit breaker malfunction, so I ended up riding with Steve, but overall we had a good day, hit some good trails, and I haven't been to Rausch in a very long time, so it was great to be back where it all started. First trail we hit was Crawler's Ridge. Here's one of the lines that the count guys back in the day I always saw ran. I ran it before in my blue buggy many years ago, and this is where I had a malfunction. I slammed down and the circuit breaker malfunctioned, so I didn't have my trailer with me. I just had my day trailer, so I had nothing to really fix it, so I just parked it and we went riding. If you're enjoying the content, do us a favor. It's free. Hit that subscribe button. Share this on your Facebook or Instagram. Get the word out there. We are trying to grow this channel, and we can't do it without you guys, so we'd greatly appreciate it. good. Keep driver. Yep, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I want it steer down. Yep. Stay up. Stay up. Driver. 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 Yep. Keep going. Yep. Yep. Keep going. Don't turn yet. Keep going. Keep going. Go, 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 go. You're killing me. You're killing me. You're killing me. Go, go, go. Steer downhill. Steer downhill. Steer downhill. Downhill. Yeah, keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop or you're going to roll. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please share this video. Hit the like button and subscribe. It helps us tremendously. And we will catch you on the trail.